Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a pending transaction on Vanguard. First, open your browser and go to the Vanguard website and click Login. Enter your username and password, then log in. Once you're logged in, look at the upper part of the screen and click on My Accounts. A drop-down will appear. Click on Balances and Holdings. In the middle part of the page, click on Transaction History. You'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Pending Activity. Find the transaction you want to cancel and click the Cancel button next to it. Review the transaction details. If you're sure, click Yes to confirm the cancellation. And that's it. That's how to cancel a pending transaction on Vanguard. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.